Hi po, good morning. Today is Tuesday. And medyo late na tayo. It's 7:36 in the morning. So inatid muna natin si Nanay and Max kanina sa St. Joseph. So tayo naman, diretso sa school. Ito yung routine namin. Every morning, hatid ko si Max and Nanay sa St. Joseph sa Naga. After, tayo naman yung pupunta ng school. Try natin gumawa ng A Day in a Life as a Public School Teacher Tuesday edition. So today po is Tuesday. Medyo maganda yung panahon. Kanina parang uulan. Buti hindi tumuloy. So we're here at Antipolo National High School. Late na tayo, late na. Let's go! Dito na tayo. Unang gagawin, magta-time in, magba-biometrics. Let's go. Late na naman. Late na tayo. Good morning. Pupunta tayo ng first subject. Second period. First subject natin is MAPE 9. 9 Neon. So later, bawal na mag-video. So see you later. Brothers and the Holy Spirit. Read the rubrics. Number 1, originality. A, creativity. Maximum points will be for So tapos na po yung second period at 8:30 to 9:30. So wala na tayong subject ngayong umaga. Babalik tayo afternoon session at 12:30. Straight yan hanggang 3:30. So gagawin natin ngayon, mag-prepare for PM session and syempre magla-lunch na din. Second period sa hapon.
Nalula po ako.
Nangyari?
Nagsuka po ta, lula po ta.
Ano kinakan mo? Bigday. Tapos, nagbigda ka. Taro ko na yan eh.
Hoy, pasok na, pasok.
Nalaga.
Hoy, get inside. Goodbye. Ha? Hello. Good afternoon. See you on Thursday. Goodbye. Done with the last period. It's 3:30 na. Kapagod. That's all for today. Uwi na. Bye. Uwi na. Bye. So guys, susundin na natin si Max and Nanay sa St. Joseph. Time check, it's 4:41 and naghihintay na sila dun. Nasundo na natin si Max and Nanay. Hi Max, say hi. Quick guys.